Want a faster way to create a folder on your desktop? Just press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. In an instant, a new folder appears. No right-click, no hassle. Try it now and let me know if you already knew this trick. Want to resize your desktop icons? Press and hold the Control key, then scroll up to make them bigger or down to make them smaller. Just press Windows plus I and boom, your settings instantly open up. No searching, no clicking. Try it. Hey, want to switch apps fast? Just press Alt plus Tab on Windows. Boom, instant app switching. Hold Alt, tap Tab, cycle through apps, release to select. Try it now. Press Control plus Windows plus D to create a new virtual desktop instantly. Switch between them with Control plus Windows plus left or right arrow. Super easy. Follow.
Open a window, then press and hold Windows key, and press left or right arrow, which will move your window left or right. Now open second window, which will increase your productivity. How to enable dark mode in 10 seconds. Click on Windows Start menu, then Setting. Now click on Personalization. Select Colors and change Theme Light to Dark. How to use Windows Clipboard. On your keyboard, press Ctrl plus C to copy. Then press Windows plus V to see the copy list, then select one to paste. Google Chrome trick to speed up your old PC. On your keyboard, press Shift plus Escape. You will see Chrome Task Manager. If any tab taking much memory, you can see it from here. Select it, and click End Process. How to fix memory on your Windows. On your keyboard, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. Then you can see which application is taking much memory. Select it, and end task. How to turn off annoying Windows notifications. Click on your Start menu, then click on Settings, then System, and then Notifications and Actions. On the right side, turn this off. Fix a high CPU usage problem in Windows. Right-click on your Windows taskbar, then click on Task Manager. Then select which one is taking much CPU. Then right-click and select End Task. Windows Hidden Benchmark Tool. On your keyboard, press Windows plus R, type CMD, then Enter. Now type WinSat Formal and Enter. You will see the hidden details of your PC. How to start up your computer faster. First, go to your search bar, type Control Panel and open it. Then click on Hardware and Sounds, then Power Options, then choose what power buttons do. Now click Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Now check mark Turn on Fast Startup, and click Save it. Double tap for more. How to protect your PC. Click on the search icon and type Control Panel, then System and Security, then click on System. Now click on System Protection, then Configure. Now turn on System Protection and Apply. Free up space for a Windows in 12 seconds. First click on Start menu, then Settings. Now click on System, then Storage. Then select Temporary Files, and press Remove Files to free up space. Do this to reset your computer. First click on Start menu, then Setting icon, then Update and Security, then click on Recovery, and Get Started. Click on Keep My Files, and finally reset your computer. How to check your hard drive is failing. First click on the search icon, then type CMD, then Run as Administrator. Click OK. In the command option, type WMIC, press Enter, then type Disk Drive Get Status. Then press Enter. That's how you can check the status. Double tap. Make your PC faster in 10 seconds. In your Windows search bar, type msconfig, then click on it. Now select the boot options, then Advanced option. Now click on Number of Processor and select the highest number, then press OK. Do this if your Wi-Fi keep disconnecting. Right-click on the battery and go to Power option. Then change Plan Settings. Then change Advanced Power Settings. Then Wireless Adapter setting and make it to maximum.
And first, click the Task View icon on your taskbar. This opens Task View, showing your current desktops and the option to add a new one. Click New Desktop to create another virtual desktop. Now you have multiple desktops. Click any desktop to switch between them. It's that simple. You're ready to manage tasks more efficiently.